All right, everybody, let's get down to things. We've had a number of calls and reports of a home invasion in progress in Redwood. We're not sure what's happening, but a group of armed individuals have forced their way inside the mansion up on Playa Vista Lane. 155 Playa Vista Lane. You know the place I'm talking about. They have barricaded themselves inside. We're looking at a potential hostage situation here. We've tried to make contact with the house, but all attempts have gone unanswered so far. So far, we've had 2 calls from people at the property, and both callers who reported the incident confirmed some shots have been fired, but not at any of the potential hostages. We've been tasked with going in and quieting this thing down quickly. We've got 2 primary entry points, right through the front door or around back, where there's access through a garage area. This is a big fucking place, and each entry point gives access to different areas. The details are on your tablets. Study them, make a decision, and get this job done. All we know so far is that they forced their way past the security guard at gunpoint. He's conscious and waiting at the perimeter of the property for us. We also know that the homeowners and their kids and several members of staff are present inside the house, which means we've got almost as many civilians as we do suspects. We don't know who these guys are, but we do know they've all got some sort of symbol painted onto their clothing. That should make them identifiable. We also know they are well armed. The security guard said they were all carrying something, a mix of SMGs and rifles. You can bet your asses they'll be carrying more than that. So these guys are serious, and we need to take care of them, fast. Listen, we all know that money talks, and the guy who owns this house is a real heavy hitter if you get my drift. He's got a lot of friends in a lot of very high places, so we can't have any fuck-ups here. We've also just been informed of a silent alarm that has been triggered from a panic room somewhere inside the property. I presume it means someone has found a place to hide. We're working on getting plans for the property, but be vigilant. There's at least 1 panic room hidden away in there, and I don't need any stray bullets giving me a headache. Keep it short and sharp, people. Get the civilians to safety, and take care of the suspects in a manner that's appropriate for their levels of resistance. Patrol is waiting on us. Let's go.
You got point.
Lead, this is Talk. Negotiations have fallen apart. Move to secure the premises. Suspects are highly volatile.
Post up and cover.
Send for. Try not to touch anything. Fucking locked.
Mirror for contacts.
No problem. Wand is ready. We got a hallway to the left. Looks good. All clear.
Unlock it.
Using the multi-tool. Doors unlocked.
Through the door and clear.
Copy.
I'm going!
We got a hallway to the left. I got nothing here. Chem light.
Enter and clear.
Moving! Opening on the right. Nothing. Chem light. Searching the area.
Use the wand. Check for targets.
I got the mirror. Clear.
Post up and provide cover.
Getting into place.
Mirror it.
Done. Unlocked. Mirrors ready. Hallway right side. Negative on any devices. We're clear.
Stay on me.
Right with you.
Stack up on the left.
Yep.
Mirror for suspects.
Doing it. It's open. We're good to go. Got the wand. It's clean. No contact.
Move in. Clear it.
On it. Let's switch.
Moving in!
Keep an eye out. I've had someone slip by me before. Good here. Opening on the right.
On my 6.
On your 6.
Use the mirror. Check for
I'm on
targets.
it. Wand's ready.
Check it with the mirror. Fall in behind me.
Behind you.
Wand it.
On it. Wand ready. More than one opening. No traps visible. No contacts.
Provide support.
Got your back.
Post up.
Stacking.
Check it with the wand.
Roger. Mirror ready.
No dice on the door.
Got multiple openings here. No device here. I got nothing.
Don't look at me!
Mirror for contacts.
Got it. I got the wand.
Deploying chemlight.
Looks clean. 2 contacts. One has a weapon.
Provide cover.
Copy.
It's open. We're good to go.
I do nothing, please. I don't want to die. Stop your whining.
Door flash and clear.
Copy. Busting down the door.
Don't make any mistakes!
Checking the tape. Lots of places to hide.
Moving into handcuffs.
I won't hurt you.
Turn around. Don't get up.
Good here.
Good to go. Gonna pack it up.
Doc here. Proceed with mission.
Entry team to talk. Suspect standing by for transportation.
Doc to entry team. Trailer standing by.
Please don't send me away.
Use the wand. Check for targets.
Oh, here comes the time. Got one down.
Doc to lead. Continue with your mission.
On you.
Who's there?
Got him. All good. Good to go. Safe.
Yes, oh God, thank you. Please help us. I've got my children in here.
Wand is ready. Looks safe. Area clear.
Open the door. Clear it.
I'm moving into place. Locked. How do you want to do it?
Light stick. Go, go, go!
I'm on it. Ready to knock.
Going in!
On me.
On your six.
No shooting! No shooting!
Police! Hands up! Drop the weapon and get down!
No fucking way. I'm not putting anything
Down on your knees! Slowly!
You think I'm scared of doing time?
Element to talk. Suspect down.
Talk to lead. Proceed with your mission.
Zipped up. I'll zip it up.
Don't move! Put your hands up now! LSPD, don't move! Police, hands in the air! Put your hands up now!
I'll get him ready. Gotta do this for safety. Civilian is ready. Team to talk.
Civilian is secured.
Element, this is talk.
Come on,
Continue
put your
with
hands up.
objective.
Come out and get down! Police, don't get down and don't move!
Down on the ground! Now, police, get down!
Arms up!
Hands on your head! Move!
Moving into handcuffs.
Please,
Everything's
you
gonna
have
be
to
okay.
get me out. Please,
Civilian
you
is
have to
talk.
get me out of here.
Civilian ready for transport.
Lead, this is talk. Trailers incoming.
Don't leave me.
Move and clear.
Getting into position. Swap with me.
Moving in.
Opening on the right. I got nothing
Provide
here.
support on me.
Got your back.
Post up and cover the area.
Ready. Out the
Mirror
way,
for
sir.
suspects.
Acknowledged. Door's good. I got the mirror. Looking good, sir. All good here.
Get the door. Clear it.
No problem. Swap.
Moving!
Nothing here, sir. Looks clear over here, boss.
On me. Move.
I got you.
Cover the area.
Moving into place.
Let me see those
Where's the
hands.
mirror? Check the targets.
Mirror's ready.
Get down now.
Get down and keep your head. Police, get down! Hands up! Drop the weapon!
Nothing.
Switching mags. I'm out.
Fall in.
Behind you.
I do nothing. Please. I don't want to die.
Hey, here!
Hands up! Do it now!
They're lighting us up.
Why are you doing this? I did nothing.
Civilian good to go for evac.
Talk
Police,
to entry
don't
team.
fucking move! Drop the
Trailers
weapon
incoming.
and put
Proceed
your
with
hands
caution.
up!
You want a piece of me?
Police, drop it.
Wait!
Drop the weapon now! Police, drop the weapon! Police, don't move!
Hands up.
Get over the Hands on your head! Put your hands up! Stay down and turn around.
Restrained.
Don't make this worse
Evidence
than
secure.
yourself.
Good to go. Taking it safe. Room to talk. Ready. Compliant.
Talk to element. Trailers incoming. Proceed with caution.
Got him. I'll bag it. Got them all. Got it bagged. Evidence good to go. Zipped up and good to go.
Shit to you.
This is fucked up.
Stack up.
I'm good to go.
Check it with the mirror.
Affirmative. Several openings. Safe. No traps. Suspect with a weapon. Good.
I want to see two in a flash.
Roger
Clear
that.
it.
Boom, baby. We're good. Setting it now. I'll do it. Roll it. Lots of places to hide. Opening on the left. Empty over here. No contact. Nothing.
Fall in.
On you.
Move in. Clear the room.
Roger that. Switch with me.
Reaching, go it.
Opening on the left. Nothing here, sir.
Stay on me.
On you.
Putting down a chem light.
I need to get to the panic room. They're here.
Holy fuck. Get down.
Okay.
We got a suspect here and need a medical attention.
Talk to element.
Drop your weapon.
Suspect down.
This is talk. Medical assistance is standing by.
I'll take it. Suspect cuffed and secure.
Raise your hands above your head.
Keep your hands up. Hands up. Above your head.
Talk.
Hands up.
Trailers
Do it
in.
now.
Hey, come here.
Turn around slowly. Turn around. Keep your hands up.
You come into my
Talk
house.
here. Excellent work, entry team. Report to center for debrief.